Looking to upgrade your car's stereo without the hassle of cutting wires or complicated setups? This aftermarket stereo wire harness offers a seamless connection to your factory stereo harness, making installation quick and straightforward. It's designed to fit perfectly with your vehicle's original wiring, so you avoid the guesswork and preserve your car's integrity. What makes this wire harness stand out is its factory-quality construction. Built with durable connectors and wiring that match OEM standards, it ensures a reliable and long-lasting connection. Plus, it features EIA industry standard color-coded wires, converting your factory colors to aftermarket standards for an easier and more accurate installation. Keep in mind, this harness is not compatible with factory amplified systems. But if your vehicle uses a standard stereo setup, it's an ideal solution. The direct plug-and-play design means you won't have to cut or splice any wires, protecting your car's original wiring harness and making future upgrades or reversions hassle-free. One user praised it for being exactly what they needed for their 2000 Chevy, highlighting how it simplified their stereo upgrade. That kind of positive feedback shows how this product delivers on its promise of convenience and quality. If you want to avoid the common pitfalls of aftermarket stereo installations, this harness is worth considering. If you're ready to upgrade your car audio system without the stress of complicated wiring, this wire harness offers a clean, dependable solution. It's made to fit, built to last, and designed to save you time and frustration. Worth a look if you want a straightforward, professional installation experience. Don't settle for messy wiring or unreliable connections. Choose a harness that respects your vehicle's original design while giving you the flexibility to enjoy your new stereo. Try it when you're ready to make your next upgrade simple and effective.